Kyle Plush's parents are suing the city of Cincinnati after the teen called 911 twice for help and died trapped in the back of his own van.
But the city says the suit should be tossed. Angenette Levy's here now with the argument both sides made in court today. Angenette.
Well, Cammie, Kyle Plush's parents filed this lawsuit after they say they tried to work with the city to get answers and accountability in their son's death, but they believe the city fell short. Attorneys for the city say they shouldn't have to pay for Kyle's death.
Before I begin, I wanted to personally tell the family of Kyle Plush how sorry I am that this happened. We all feel terrible about this. We know that this was a tragedy, and we're very sorry that it happened.
But then Assistant City Solicitor Peter Stackpole went on to argue the lawsuit Kyle Plush's family filed against the city and a handful of employees should be thrown out of court.
The city of Cincinnati is entitled to immunity, the individuals are entitled to immunity, and the other claims should be dismissed.
Stackpole said the arguments the Plush family makes in the lawsuit are the wrong ones under Ohio law. The Plushes are suing the city, the two call takers and police officers involved in the 911 call, and former city manager Harry Black.
They allege that he didn't do enough. Whether that's true or not, that is a claim or an allegation that sounds in negligence. It is not a perverse disregard of a known risk.
But civil rights attorney Al Gerhardstein says the Plush lawsuit hits all of the right points.
City Manager Black acknowledged the problems. He even called the 911 system a mess.
And Gerhardstein says a city employee sounded the alarm to Black 2 months before Kyle's death, and instead of fixing the problem, he transferred her. Gerhardstein pointed to a number of errors, from call takers not taking more action to the two police officers failing to get out of the cruiser to check vans for what they were told was a call about a woman trapped in a van.
While the call was designated as a Code 2 high priority, they assumed it was a prank. So they left at 3:37 while Kyle is still alive, having never gone to the actual address that they were given, 5471 Red Bank Road.
Gerhardstein says the city's investigation, which exonerated all employees of wrongdoing, is a whitewash.
The lawsuit is intended to get to the bottom of everything so they know how their son died and why, and to spur any type of reform that's absolutely needed.
Now, Judge Robert Ruhlman said today he doesn't grant many motions to dismiss because he believes people should have their day in court. He also offered his condolences to the Plush family. Judge Ruhlman will announce his decision on the city's motion to dismiss next month. Cammie?
Angenette, thank you. Ron and Jill Plush have traveled the country to find ways to improve 911 systems, and they've also created a foundation in Kyle's memory to continue that work. The city has made some changes, including implementing a smart 911 system.